Hi there, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review this box of Matchbox cars, and this case is Matchbox Moving Parts 2022 and it's 5E, so the 5th batch. I already pre-opened the box. And I just received this one Friday, and this is a very fresh box. Hasn't been released much yet. There is a peek inside where you can see the cars, and there's some very nice cars inside. Also a new release, but we will have a look. First take these things out. It's one and two. So let's put it back and have a look at the cars. First one out, that's the Range Rover. That's a Land Rover Vogue SE Special Edition from 2018 in a dark grey. This is a casting that's been around already a few times. I think I have already 4 or 5 versions. There's also a premium version of this one. And the back opens up from this one. So that's your moving part. Let's have a look at the front of the car. So a grey poly car. There's the art, and there's your backside. Nothing really special. So let's have a look at the next one. And that's a very nice one. That's a Subaru Brat, and it's a 1978 in a very nice 70s color. Really love this one. With the headlights done, and I'm not sure about the tail lights. I don't think so. No tail lights done. But a very nice color. I think this is my 3rd piece of this Subaru, and a very nice one in black with the orange stripes. There you can see a little bit of engine detail. So I'm very happy with this one. Nice edition. Let's have a look at the next one. Also, always nice to get one of these. There's your Ford Crown Victoria from 2006 with the opening back door. That's your moving part. Let's have a look at the front. There's your front. No numbers on top. Your light bar. And no painted details on the back, so only side printing, and I think it says Harbor Police, if I'm not mistaken. Nice edition. Always happy to have another one of this. Okay, next one. You have two of the Ford Bronco. So 2 pieces of this one. Let's have a look at one of them. There's your Ford Bronco with opening door. I'm not sure if this is a new one, probably quite new. I'm not sure if they have released this one with opening parts, or if this is a first release. In bright orange, there's your back side with the tail lights done. There's the art. So that's the Ford Bronco from 2021. And let's have a look at the next one. That's an older release. That's a Pontiac Grand Prix from 1964 in a brown poly, metallic brown color. I don't have this color yet, so it's a new color. But I have quite a few of this Pontiac. It's also a very older Matchbox car. That's a different release with metal base, I believe, the old ones. So there's your Pontiac Grand Prix with the card art. And next one. There's your Ford Mustang from 2017 with the opening door. There's your card art in red. This one has the tail lights done, I believe. And there's your front. And last but not least, for me the best one of the case. The card is a bit ruined, but I think this I will take this one out after I'm finished. But this is a very nice one. A Mitsubishi Lancer Celeste from 1975. There's your card art. But this is a very nice one. I was looking forward to get this one. In a nice yellow with black stripes. Let's have a look at the engine, if possible. So headlight detail, and there's your tail light detail. So that's a very nice piece. This is the first release of this car. So that's Matchbox Moving Parts, the latest release. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you in the next time. And have a nice day. Bye.